Hello, good morning, everyone. Very warm welcome to babycode free PTE sessions. I'm Tanu Vermani, an IDP certified trainer and a TEFL to Solve certified trainer. So I'm back with my live session number 17 for the PTE, and we are covering our listening module, right? So we are covering our listening part, and today's topic is about fill in the blanks, how you will be cracking the fill in the blanks for the PTE. Now, what is fill in the blanks here? Now, in this type of question, your listening and writing skills will be evaluated. And what you are required to do is that you are going to listen for a missing word. That means you will hear a recording. आप एक recording को सुनोगे and you will be listening for those missing words. Your focus will be on the missing words, and then you have to type those missing words into a transcription box. So basically, you will be having the transcription. राइट आपको एक ट्रांसक्रिप्ट दी होगी, उसमें आपको क्या करना है, अपने मिसिंग वर्ड्स को टाइप करके लिखना है. सो अ ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ऑफ योर रिकॉर्डिंग appears on the screen with several gaps, and after listening to a recording you have to type your missing words. Prompt length will be of 30 to 60 seconds. That means आपकी ऑडियो की लेंथ 30 to 60 seconds की होगी, और नंबर ऑफ टास्क होंगे आपके 2 to 3. मार्किंग क्राइटेरिया, ईच वन करेक्ट आंसर के लिए, एंड करेक्ट आंसर शुड बी स्पेल्ड करेक्टली. अगर आपने स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिखी है तो यू विल नॉट गेट एनी पॉइंट्स फॉर दैट. एंड जीरो, that means if you are not writing the correct answer you will not get any score, you will get zero for the same. There is no negative marking here. How you are supposed to do this? Audio will play automatically. You are only able to listen to the audio recording once. Left click on each gap, type the missing word. You can also use the tab button. कीबोर्ड पे जो टैब बटन्स आप उनके थ्रू भी मूव कर सकते हो, राइट? सो व्हाइल द ऑडियो इज प्लेइंग यू कैन टेक नोट्स ऑन द इरेजेबल noteboard also, right? How will be your screen? You can see here the image below that you will hear a recording and you have to type the missing words in each blank. You can see that there are blanks also. So skim the text before the recording begins, because you will have 7 seconds of a time before the recording starts. So in that 7 seconds, you should be very quick in reading the whole text, because as you do you can ignore the gaps and try to get an overall idea of what text is about. You will get an idea, right? So this will help you to recognize the words also as you hear them. Some of the things you can do is look for proper nouns that begins with capital letters. You can also look for people. You can also look for places, organizations. Don't worry if you do not know anything, but nouns that are repeated. This will help you in deciding the topic also. Name of the city, name of the place, right? So as you listen, write down the words you hear from the blank on your booklet, erasable booklet. Because normal speed पे आपका audio play होगा और वो play होगा only at once. So whenever you are listening, you have some time to think about it and how to spell those missing words. Your erasable notebook will be helping you out in this, right? And remember, the next question does not start until you click next at the bottom of your screen. So you have little time to think about your answers. How it is scored? It is scored on the content, because does your response include all the missing words? Do you have all the missing words? Like you are writing all the answers correctly or not? Right? And if you spelled it correctly, only then you will be getting the 1 credit point. Now, what are the strategies? You have only 7 seconds before the recording starts. So quickly read through the text and try to predict the answer also. You will hear from the context. After recording starts, do not stop listening to write or type in the full answer. Make sure whenever you write, you have basic forms of words, है ना? आप verbs क्या use हो रहे हैं, word based knowledge है अगर आपके पास, grammatical clues देखो, contextual clues देखो कि जो word आपने लिखा है वो grammatically और logically fit करता है sentence में कि नहीं. Trust your thoughts and your possibilities also, but make sure you write the correct word. Be ready. Quickly skim the text so that you get a general idea. Be ready to write each missing word on your booklet as you hear. The audio status box will count down from 7 seconds and the audio will begin. What you hear as you hear each missing during the recording, write or type the word quickly. Read the next one also. Follow the speaker in the transcription as you do not miss a word. Do not get behind. After the audio stops, read the sentence that has the first meaning word and confirm the word you write makes sense. Continue for each blank. type carefully, check your spellings again and again, and check the clues also that the words are noun, verb, or adjective, because these are the predictions which is going to help you, right? Listening skills, identify words and phrases appropriate to the content, look for the vocabulary, focus on any kind of oral or sequencing of your information, use the correct grammar, correct spelling also, and the words and phrases. Now, tips to increases that you have to do the skimming first. Place the cursor in the first blank. Follow the written text as you listen. Type a word in the first blank. Move the cursor to the next blank. After listening, do complete sentences. Do check all the completed sentences. Do the words you have typed fit in the sentence grammatically or not? Make changes if you think that your words are incorrect. Now let's do one exercise. You have to listen to this audio and then you have to write your answers in the words.
One seminal difference in policy remains. The Coalition has not matched what is Labour's most important innovation promise. That is to bring together responsibilities for innovation, industry, science and research under one single federal minister. Innovation responsibilities currently lie within the powerful Department of Education and Science, and while there is a separate industry department, it has little influence within Cabinet. This has hampered policy development and given Australia's innovation policies a distinctly science and research bias. It is the scientists, rather than the engineers, who call the tune in innovation policy in Canberra. So it's no surprise our policies are all about boosting government-funded research and later commercialising their results.
So once you listen, you can write the notes quickly and then you can check all your answers here on my screen. This type of exercise is the easiest one as you hold on to your listening part. That means if you're going with your concentration, your focus is there on the audio, you will never miss out your words. But be sure about the spellings also. If you make incorrect spelling, then you will not get any marks for the same. Let's do one more exercise. Skim the text quickly before the audio starts. So read out all the passage first. We have decided to adopt just as loose theme for a course, a dash theme. A means that they are talking about any kind of a noun here, right? A dash theme, so that you can see the dash between dash and chemistry and biology. So what they are going to see, the dash between. Something is between chemistry and biology. That the things you might consider doing in the future. We want you to think about the dash. So now they are going to think about what is that noun that are relevant to your body, the processes that occur in your body, the chemistries that going on, and how dash plays a role. So what plays a role here? And we divided the course into 4 sections, and after each section there will be a midterm, the first one, or an exam. The first one is about what? So again a noun, that first one is what? Now listen to
We've decided to adopt, just as a loose theme for the course, a biological theme, so that you can see the connections between chemistry and biology and the things that you might consider doing in the future. We want you to think about the molecules that are relevant to your body, the processes that occur in your body, the chemistry that's going on, and how energy plays a role. And we divided the course into 4 sections, and after each section there will be a midterm. The first one, or an exam. The first one is about matter.
So now, I hope this was an easiest one. You can check all your answers here on my screen. Do practice for this type of fill in the blanks. These are very scoring and these are easiest also, right? So I hope it was an informative session for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and watch your PTE journey. So don't miss out this golden opportunity which we are providing you to learn through our video sessions, our live sessions. Stay tuned and visit the babycode app and YouTube to watch our live sessions. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies and the sample answers and the exercise so that you can boost your overall PTE score. Thank you so much for joining our live session. Bye-bye. Take care, all of you.